Just combine coffee powder with lime and you're never going to have this problem again. That's right, everyone. After this tip, your kitchen will never be the same. And for this, the tip is actually quite simple and quick. First, get yourself a lime and then go ahead and cut it in half. All right, let me cut it once. That's done. Now we're going to need coffee powder, but make sure to use regular coffee powder for this. He can be instant coffee. It has to be a regular one. Let's get a container and adhere to tablespoons of coffee powder. It doesn't have to be a spoonful though. That's fine. 1 and 2. Next, let's take just one of the lime halves and then go ahead and squeeze all its juice into the coffee powder. You can squeeze all of it, then give it a good mix so that it turns into a piece. Keep mixing well until smooth. And look, this is how it's going to stay. Now let's get to the kitchen and I'll show you how we're going to use this. And here, folks, what they would just do. This mixture of coffee powder and lime juice can be used to remove any bit odor from your fridge. That's right, folks. So let's say you forgot meat in the fridge for a couple of days. Then it ended up spoiling, leaving that strong smell in the fridge. This thing here will surely help you. Or even if your fridge is already a few years old. And as we store in many different types of foods, it is normal for the refrigerator to smell of these foods. That's the famous fridge smell. You can remove all shelves and clean everything, but that smell won't go away so easily. It gets really impregnated. But this trick will be the solution for this. So just go ahead and make yourself a container like this one with coffee powder and lime juice. Then leave it inside your fridge. If it has any kind of bad smell in 1 or 2 days, your problem will be solved. So that's a very simple yet useful tip, which I'm sure it's going to help you a lot.